Hello. This is my laundry. And this is my laundry machine. And this is where I hang up my laundry. Over the past week, I've had to wash my laundry 3 times. The same load. 3 times. 3 times. Why, you might ask? Because of this. Okay, so here's my back porch. And as you can see, it's, well, maybe not see, but definitely hear, it's raining very, very much right now. It's about 1:30. People are taking stuff off of their lines. And oh my gosh, okay. It is pouring down rain. Just randomly in the afternoon. That's right. In the past week, we've had 2 random torrential downpours, and both of them have been when my laundry was hanging up. So moral of the story? Always, always, always take your laundry off the line when it's dry. Probably check the forecast every now and then when you're doing laundry. Or get a dryer.